So your morning started and you don't know what's up. Give me your ear and a grab of your cup. It's the time of the week you've been waiting for. So tune on in and we'll give you some more. Cause there's only one show that makes you good to go. It's Cup of Joe.
Hey Rams, I'm Lily McCarthy.
And I'm Lucy, and we're your producers for this year.
This has been a fun journey. Let's take a look at what we've been doing for the last 9.5 months.
Roll the clips.
If you have any questions about theology, I know all about Jesus, you can just ask me. If you have any questions about why things be, I know all about Jesus, you can just ask me.
What are you most excited for in the pep rally? I love taking pictures, so definitely taking pictures. Yeah, but I can't wait for the tug of war too, because that's gonna go down bad.
Welcome to a new year of Cup of Joe.
We're super excited to present this new episode. Enjoy!
Get ready, Rams. The homecoming game is tonight. This year's homecoming theme is Disco Dance. And it has been a groovy week. We hope everyone has enjoyed Spirit Week and is ready to strut their stuff tomorrow on the dance floor.
Hey Rams, we're here with Mr. Sneed for an interview about the mosh pits. Mr. Sneed, what did you see in there?
I saw a little bit of pushing, a little bit of shoving. I saw a person get crowd surfed. I saw a few things actually.
Thank you.
Yes, the party was great. We're still breaking the piñata. La comida estuvo muy deliciosa.
This one, just so you know, this is my first year doing ARPA, but I love the fact that so many people are so excited and they just want to come and create. Like, look at this atmosphere. You don't get this anywhere else. So I'm really excited for like the feeling of everything.
And then we have all your ingredients here.
Good luck.
Oh no!
Do you have anything to say?
I'm done now.
The offense, the next play mentality, the confidence that we play with. Unstoppable, unguardable. What a game by my junior Rams.
Okay, I'm so scared. It's not gonna move. But don't tell me.
Joyeux Noel is our annual celebration. It's a new tradition we established 3 years ago. And it is an annual celebration of the Advent season and Christmas.
Come one, come all to Christmas predictions. First on the docket, will Twitter prevail?
growing up, and it didn't win anything.
Didn't win anything?
Totally wrong.
Tough judges.
Hey Rams, the bowling team just concluded a very successful season, going all the way to sectionals and sending junior Matt Orlow to state, where he placed 35th overall. I caught up with some of our varsity bowlers to hear about how the season went and what they think about the future of the program.
I think it was a very successful season. I mean, we had a lot of success and a lot of improvement. I think we're actually, if anything, we're going to get better next year.
Flag procession, I think that's one of the things that we've gotten so much feedback about. Yes, it was beautiful from what I understand, watching the students marching in and really just walking in. They were very methodical in it. But I think once they were upstairs and draping the balcony, and flanking cats singing on either side, hearing feedback from students, from colleagues, that just how powerful that visualization was and how we were able to then roll into that the educational component of the Black diaspora, really understanding what that means.
Happy season, Lent Rams! In honor of Fat Tuesday, French Honor Society held a Mardi Gras festival in the dining hall after school. There was bucket, food, and fun carnival masks to celebrate the beginning of the Lenten season. I don't know who won the baby and the king cake, but we hope that everyone enjoyed the event.
Hello, I am here with Miss Parker asking questions about the Mardi Gras celebration. We wanted to ask, what does the celebration mean to you and some of the other students in French Honor?
Yeah, the celebration means a lot because this is something that we actually started my first year.
Dear Joe, I'm a freshman and I want to ask a senior to the turnabout dance. How should I ask them to the dance? Thanks, a freshman. Don't. Date within your age range.
And that's coming right from Joe himself.
Quick and simple.
Yeah, and as someone who teaches a lot of ninth
Yeah.
graders, I'm pretty sure you haven't done any of your studying for your upcoming tests. So focus on that.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves,
But if you can pull it off.
A human being, no sense of humor. Grateful for every single thing I did for him. I was just blown away by that.
Bachelor's only, I didn't get anything else besides that. And I kind
together as an entire community to celebrate the rich legacy of AGI heritage.
This is for the Asians who are here representing the many Asian ethnicities.
Abraham Lincoln once said, "If I had 6 hours to chop down a tree, I spend the first 4 hours sharpening the knife."
Don't leave your curling irons. Look at me. Yeah, fair.
I'm Mr. Schneider, and this is Miss Gavorgian.
And we hope you would really enjoy this episode.
What a recovery from spelling.
What a recovery from spelling. What a recovery from spelling. What a recovery from spelling.
Thanks for joining coverage of This Year Rams. Thank you to all who've made this show possible, especially our moderator, Mr. Mueller. We'll see you next year, Rams. Clink!
Joe, 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 Joe.